15 bad cleaning habits you need to break. Even with online billing and banking, there is still a mountain of paper that ends up in our homes. Magazines, newspapers, school papers and projects, they have a tendency to pile up. Don't let that happen. Want to spend less time in the laundry room and scrubbing mildew from bathroom surfaces? Don't leave wet shower curtains bunched up and wet towels in a heap on the floor. Have you ever had to redo a task like cleaning soap scum from tile because the cleaner didn't work? Maybe you didn't read the directions. Just like using too much cleaner can be a bad habit, using a cleaner that is too harsh for the job is also wrong. You can do more harm than good if the cleaner strips away finishes or creates hazards for your pets and family. Save yourself some effort by dusting before you vacuum. A room should be cleaned from the top down so the dust lands on the floor to be swept or vacuumed away. We all get interrupted, but try to complete a task once you've started it. If you bring out the ironing board, don't stop for a social media break until all of the ironing is done. Putting off cleaning and waiting until the task has become overwhelming is one of the hardest bad habits to break. Most of us can't face a disaster and simply avoid it for as long as possible. If a little bit of cleaner works, then a lot of cleaner will work better and faster? Right? That's not how it works. How can you expect clean results when you are using dirty cleaning tools? If your washer has an odor from built-up bacteria in detergent residue, your clothes are going to stink. If your vacuum bag or filter is filled with dust, it won't do a good job sucking up anymore. A dirty mop or sponge simply pushes around more soil and bacteria. Disposable disinfectant wipes are great for a quick wipe down of a bathroom sink. But that little square hardly contains enough disinfectant to clean an entire bathroom. By the time you reach the toilet seat and handles, the disinfectant qualities are gone and you are simply spreading bacteria from one surface to another. How much longer would it take to put that dirty glass in the dishwasher instead of the sink? Leaving dirty dishes in the sink is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and a jackpot for hungry insects. Taking just a few seconds to remove your shoes each time you come in from the outside will save you hours of vacuuming. Not to mention the bacteria and germs that will stay out of living areas. Do you spend half your designated cleaning time trying to find the proper cleaners and tools? This is a bad habit that's easy to change. If you know that your family hates leftovers, then why bother to stash them in the refrigerator? If you are not going to use food promptly, just go ahead and toss it. Improperly stored food promotes mold and bacteria growth and makes cleaning out the refrigerator a much bigger task than it needs to be. Even if the rest of the bedroom is neat and clean, an unmade bed makes it look messy. Just making the bed each morning is a habit that will promote keeping the rest of the room and maybe the entire house organized. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.